Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today we are in Frontierland, and we're going to take you on a nice relaxing stroll through Frontierland here at the Magic Kingdom in 4K 60. I hope you enjoy the video, and please remember to leave us a like and a comment, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So, let's get started. And because this is a relaxing stroll, I will not be doing commentary the whole time, just light narration throughout, so you can enjoy the sights and the sounds of Frontierland.
Over the wall like this time.
Had my hands up. What right?
Fourth of July. Oh my God. We did that with the Ammons. Can you tell you how crazy that was? I did that with the whole thing. This was right after Jeff passed away. We did that one time, and then I went to Jeffrey, took Jeffrey there.
And I have to say, this is one of my favorite shots in the Magic Kingdom. Just a great view of the castle and Hall of Presidents, as well as Tom Sawyer Island. So it's one of my favorite places to get either a live stream shot or a video or photo shot. So check it out the next time you're here if you haven't already seen it. So we're going to take the bridge here, the bypass, if you will, parade bypass. It's a really nice way to escape the crowds of the main Frontierland street.
Going the wrong way?
El pie. We'll get to. Where they put people from the audience. They decide who's the
And I love how the theming changes here, even right on this restroom building where you've got the colonial style to the frontier style. And the building here is kind of a colonial style, but kind of with a log cabin bottom. And then on the right, you've got the stockade fort. And on the left is more of the stonework. So pretty cool subtle details there where Disney made this transition between these two lands. There used to be a Frontierland sign on this side, but it actually says over here, Rivers of America. Rivers of America Crossing. Interesting. Alright, we're going to head around the bend here and wrap up the video. So I hope you enjoyed this relaxing stroll around Frontierland. We're over in Liberty Square now, but we'll finish up over in Frontierland. Always love strolling the parks and just letting you guys enjoy the scenery. And be sure you're in 4K 60 because this video was shot at super high quality, so we want you to get the best experience possible.
I mean, we could do multiple. What, do a May, June, July?
There's the riverboat and the Haunted Mansion. Alright, again, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. We like to do these relaxing strolls and just show you guys around the park and, like I said, not interfere with the natural beauty of the parks. We do more commentary on the live streams, and hopefully the amount of commentary on this video was good for you guys. So let me know in the comments. I didn't really do very much, but just pointed out the picture spot and a couple things here at the end. So been a beautiful day today too, so I hope that the pictures turned out really crisp and sharp. So please be sure to subscribe to Resort TV 1 by clicking the red subscribe button below the video if you haven't already done so, and also click that notification bell to be notified every time we go live or have a new video. Remember, we go live every Friday at 6 and sometimes surprise streams throughout the week as well. We have new videos every morning at 9. Also be sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And also be sure to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best and free Disney vacation planning advice. Go check out MickeyTravels.com to book your next trip to Disney. Also, be sure to check out WindowRepairParts.us and use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase at WindowRepairParts.us. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.